So I want to show you one more thing on the Shaper Orgin handheld CNC router, that it has a cool feature that when you plunge into the material, you push this green button, the router bit plunges in, and then you follow the pattern with the circle. You got to keep this circle around the dashed line. And if you drift outside of that dashed line, get the circle out of there, the router bit automatically retracts so you don't damage your piece. I'm going to show you that. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to push the green button, let the router bit plunge into the material, and then I'm going to show you there's a certain direction you need to run the router around. You can't just freehand and go whichever way you want. You have to go a certain direction. So I'm going to show you how it shows that, and then I'm going to show you how it works on the automatic mode. So come over here. I'm going to turn everything on and show you how to do that. So again, I go over the item, and this is the eye for the pumpkin. I'm going to follow that. So you can just pick a random place. You want to get that little dot over the dashed line, the green line there, and you're going to notice that it shows the screen turns blue where I've made a cut already. So when you get all the way around to the other side, you're going to see everything's blue. That's basically just telling you, hey, you've done that already. So I'm going to change the depth here, and I'm only going to go 3/16 deep because I don't want to cut all the way through the material. So until that's done, I've already done the Z touch. So here we go. I'm going to push the green button so it plunges in. Just tap that one. The router bit goes down. But if I try to go the wrong direction, you say no, go to the right. So I need to follow that and go to the right. If I get that little dot outside the circle, it automatically aborts the cutter. So it raises that up. And now if we get started again, I'm just going to tap the orange button on the handle, make sure the router bit's up. I'm going to push the cut mode. I'm going to continue that direction. You can see where the screen is blue. I'm going to cut there. So now as I cut, I'm going to push that through. As I get to this corner, I'm going to push it on auto mode. So watch here. I'm going to push the green button. I'm going to hold on to that, and the router bit will automatically follow that shape. I'm going to take my hand off the green button. Now I'm in the freehand mode again. I think this allows you to go a little bit faster. I want to keep that, as long as I keep that dot in the circle, I'm okay. It's showing me an arrow. Hey, lower the router and go that direction. And then as I get this a little bit closer, I'm going to get to this corner, and I'm going to push, I'm going to move the router there. I'm going to hold the green button so it does auto. It'll automatically move around the corner. So I get this there, run up the edge of the circle. And now I just need to move that over. Push the orange button to retract. And you can see what I cut, that I need to go back with the razor blade and cut that out and change the depth to finish that. That should help.